Fulton, New York is built on a rich history of manufacturing dating back more than 100 years. Today, we are at the forefront in developing strong collaboration and engagement with our manufacturing partners, both current and new. We recognize that every business is unique and has specific needs. We build partnerships with our business community so that together we can be problem solvers and find customized solutions. We are proud that products made right here in Fulton go worldwide, and hundreds of our residents are employed by our local manufacturers. Local support in Fulton is unique and powerful. Cayuga Community College's Fulton campus, for example, is one of the first anywhere to offer an advanced manufacturing instructional facility built specifically for training and certification. This gives companies in Fulton a competitive edge with a ready workforce certified in programs from mechanical technology to plastics.
The City of Fulton's very much supported us through the years. They've been very collaborative and creative solutions for a couple different opportunities we have to improve the work site here. One example is pedestrian flow through the city, as well as our employees in and out of the plant. They worked very closely with us and really helped us to change the design of some of the traffic patterns and created a safe environment for everybody.
The city's always been extremely supportive of everything Universal Metalworks is aimed to do. We view them as more of a partner than a block. You know, they're always willing to go above and beyond. If there's something that they can do that will facilitate our business, they'll do it. They realize that manufacturing in Fulton is a critical component of Fulton, and they're going to do everything they can to help us succeed. They realize that our success is going to be the city's success.
Davis Canada has had great success working, collaborating with the City of Fulton. There are different examples I can give you, like for example, the ease of access to a facility, the Riverwalk revitalization. All that is great examples of us working together to solve our problems together.
A lot of the employees that we do have, tend to be lifelong employees. We've just retired 5 employees that had 30 plus years with our company. So we're now looking to programs like PTAC, programs like City BOCES to help fill those gaps. We're working with MACNY to develop a new apprenticeship program, which includes Cayuga Community College for training purposes. So that's all been very encouraging.
We have extremely talented, hardworking, skilled people here, and I refer to them as craftsmen. They're not only able to work with their hands, but they're able to work with their minds as well. And I think that's a huge advantage we have in this community.
If you look at our workforce, a lot of them have decades of experience. So obviously, we're very grateful to the community. It's great. So if the community is vibrant, so is our company. So in a way, it's symbiotic.
We're a city of people that make things. It's ingrained in our DNA. With that, there are multiple generations at our site as well as other manufacturers. We know how to work, we know how to make high quality products and meet customers' needs.
Fulton is moving forward and our future is bright. We welcome the opportunity to partner with you in your business. Contact our Community Development Agency today for a world of possibilities.